agenda. We can only discuss what's on the agenda in the meeting. Since it's a special meeting. They're all special.
What was the sheriff?
Explorers.
Tahoe Tony. This is weird. Lesby.
Ryan must have had too good of a time Saturday night.
This is the thermoplastic mark. They're going to paint lines, and I was seeing what places they were going to do it. It said US 25 at Washington Square, but Washington Square, once you get in so far, it's a private drive in the parking lot.
It's 4 o'clock.
Looks like a fake back room.
Appreciate everyone's attendance.
It's fake news right
I'm
there.
going to call our meeting to order. Appreciate you all making yourself available for this special called meeting on the 18th of August. I'll ask you all to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. Let's pledge.
Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Ms. Hamilton, will you call the roll?
Mr. Hostetler.
Present.
Mr. Jones.
Here.
Mr. Wallace.
Here.
Mr. Corman.
Present.
Mr. Ellison.
Here.
Mr. Pratt.
Here.
Mr. Livingston.
Here.
Mr. Willis.
Here.
Judge Covington.
Present. With that said, we have established a quorum so we can conduct business. And as I shared, the reason for this meeting was to address a need to transfer funds due to an unforeseen health insurance claim. So it's transferring from general to road fund in the amount of $300,000. Not all of that was for the health insurance claim, but that is just to address that issue. Questions or comments about that?
Need a motion?
Motion?
Motion.
Motion, second. Any other questions or comments? All those in favor, please say aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Motion passes. And then appreciate your all's making yourself available and needing to do that. No, we have one other item.
We do?
We have, because Lori had been on me, wanting to nail this down, and I felt like I needed to let you all just have a heads up. So I just said, Lori, come on Monday. You have 5 minutes max to share a tourism update about a Great Crossing Park tourism event that's coming up in September. Is that right?
October.
And we don't have to approve anything. It's just me giving you all a heads up. Lori, it's your floor.
Thanks for giving me the 5 minutes.
Yes.
I'm going to have time to run home and change for my
All
big
right.
event tonight.
Didn't want to have too much expectations on it.
Yes, so we are so excited to have been chosen to host the All Nashville Roadshow in October 11th. We looked at several different sites, and the site that they loved the most was the one out at Great Crossing Park in that flat spot just below the sheriff's office, which, just so you all know, he has said they will have officers there for me. So we appreciate that, Sheriff, that you are willing to do that on our behalf. But I will tell you who the music talent is going to be, which I know is someone's favorite, Charlie Argo. Are you all familiar with him?
Never heard of
He
him.
is. David, I know David knows who he is.
I've seen him like 5 or 6 times.
Yes. Then they're going to have Slow, and then they're going to have Summerlin Powers with Zach Saluin, who is going to be the MC for the evening. Doors will open at 5:30. The concert will go from 7 to 10 p.m. I do want to let you all know what I'm most excited about is the fact that we didn't have to pay anything. Usually, when there's an event like this, they're coming with a handout. They did not. Actually, we're the ones who are going to benefit. So with every ticket we sell with our link, we're getting a portion of that ticket sales. In addition to that, Country Boy Brewing is going to be out there. That was one of our requirements. Normally they bring in their own brew truck, and we said absolutely not. You can't come into Georgetown with another craft beer. It has to be Country Boy. They always have a Nashville beer included. So fortunately for us, Country Boy, DH and them have contacts in Nashville that they've collabed with before. So they're going to have a special Nashville beer for us also out there. The Kappa Deltas from Georgetown College, they're going to be working the event and being paid to work. Security is going to be William Mason. He's
Oh,
going
I
to have
thought you
him
said
assist-
the Kappa Deltas were going to be working security. I'm sorry.
No, no, sorry.
I was like,
We can ask them. They might do a pretty good job. William Mason is going to come, and his crew is going to be out there. There's several other volunteer opportunities that we've reached out to some groups so they can also benefit from this. And then tickets are based on the zone that you sit in, but they will go from anywhere from $39 to $59. The great part is you don't have to bring a chair. They provide the chair for you. They're expecting attendance to be about 300 to 500 people. I think we'll be a sellout, so we're certainly hoping for that. I think I've hit all my topics. Just if you all have any questions for us.
And like I said, we don't have to approve anything. It's a tourism event at Great Crossing Park, and I think great opportunity to have a quality of life event here in town, and tourism sponsored right there at Great Crossing Park. And what questions? Does anybody have any questions?
Yeah, I'm curious. So parking, is it going to be at Great Crossings High School, or specifically have you all got
It'll
that?
be down there by the ball field.
Okay.
Yes, and then they can park also by the pickleball.
Okay, and then how are they going to power this thing? Is this going to be
They
electric?
have all their own stuff.
That's okay. I
That's
got
the
you.
convenient part. They bring in their own stage, they bring in their own sound equipment, they bring in their own electric. They'll be there about 9 a.m. to start setting up.
They've already shared with you a certificate of insurance
Yes.
and all that.
I've sent the contract over for you to look at.
Yeah.
We're gonna,
And
we
I'll have
are going to,
Cam.
yes.
I have Cam review that.
There was a whole harmless clause that wanted to be added, so we've
Yeah.
talked to them. They're adding that in, so we're in good shape there. But we think it's going to be a really fun time for everyone. We're excited because once you host it one year, you get the opportunity to bring them back the following year. So we want to sell out.
So Lori hadn't given them. Lori's not giving them the green light to start ticket sales, but she's wanting to do that today. And I just wanted to put this in front of y'all. If y'all had any questions before we proceeded, I just wanted you all to have the chance to ask.
Dwayne, do you have a question? No. Oh, Judge, I think, personally, I think this is a great dry run at what potentially could be used the park for, and I'm curious to see how it all works logistically. And this will help the court figure out what direction we need to go maybe in the future. So I guess I'll have to make a motion to it.
Do you want to make a motion? Because I'll never tell you can't.
Well, I would say I motion
right.
to pass
Is
the.
it okay that it says, since it's a special meeting, it says update?
I think it's tourism update, GC Park event. I don't think there's any. The lawyer's sitting here next to me. But
What would the
hold on. I don't. We don't vote on anything else that goes out there. I mean, I don't know that.
Softball games, baseball games.
Yeah, I mean, we don't approve any of that.
But we've had this event. We had this issue one other time, David. Remember there was an adult softball group that wanted to come out and do a special adult softball event with a company. Did we vote on, and Judge, you can answer this too, did we vote on approving that?
I can't remember that.
I don't.
That's
remember
been a few
either.
years ago.
Yeah, I can't remember.
If we did, then it would just verify, I mean, it would say, hey, we need to have a motion. But if not, I don't have to make a motion, but I'm good with it.
My big thing was having Lori share with you all, and that way, if y'all had any questions before she gave them the green light to start selling tickets. But I do think it's a positive event. It's a nice event for the community. Country music, gather right here in town, and so.
What's the date, Lori?
October the 11th.
So, all right.
The only concern would be parking and restrooms. I mean,
They bring those in too?
Yes. They do it all. I mean, this is one of the easiest things we have ever done.
So they'll have they'll have restrooms on. They'll have porta potties too. Okay.
Oh, yeah, they are taking, like I said, this is one of the easiest things we have ever partnered with in our lives. It's usually us doing all the heavy lifting. We don't have to really do anything other than sell some tickets, so that's really nice.
And they've done this a lot of other places. We're not a test case. Yeah, we're not a test case at all.
In Country Boy, they probably already have that license that they have to get to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where they're a craft brew, they've
Yeah.
got a license where they can go to any event,
Yeah.
public event. So we
So
use them
that's-
for the concert series. We use them for the festival too, because it's easy for them to move around and not have to have that special license. And in addition, the special events license via the ABC.
I think it sounds like a good good opportunity. And
Thank you.
any other questions?
Thursday nights.
Any other
And the
questions?
time was 7 to 10?
Yes. Yes. Doors will open at 5:30.
Yeah.
Sounds like I
Alright.
got somebody's coming.
If it's rain, we
Then
probably
they will cancel and they'll reschedule it.
okay.
Yeah, that's the good thing, because they don't want to give back tickets. They will just reschedule the event. They were supposed to be in Paducah a few weeks ago, and it was a huge total rain out. So they've already got it rescheduled so that everybody can still use their tickets for
Okay.
the event. Yeah.
Well, if there's no other questions, Lori, thank you for coming, and I'm glad everybody could hear straight from you. Sounds like a great event, and you can give them the thumbs up to start selling tickets.
I'm going to do it 45 minutes early.
All right.
I didn't want to do anything without having you all aware of what we were planning.
Yeah.
We think it's a great event, but we also want to make sure that the judge and the
Yeah.
magistrates agree with us that this is a perfect place to host the All Nashville
Yeah.
Road Show. So, thank you very much.
Thank you. Is there a motion to adjourn? Motion. Second. Second for Mr. Jones. All those in favor, please say aye. Aye. Any opposed? We are adjourned.